Welcome back, tech and tool lovers. Today we're diving into 8 insanely cool mini tools that pack serious power and compact designs. From precision cutters to smart laser measures and high-speed rotary tools, these gadgets are built to make your work faster, easier, and way more efficient. Whether you're a DIYer, mechanic, or pro, these tools are total game changers. Let's get into it. The Hoto Smart Laser Measure is a compact, high-precision tool perfect for quick and accurate measurements up to 98 feet with Cleese's 1/16-inch accuracy. Its sleek design features a patented yellow rubber grip for better handling and a low-power OLED screen for clear visibility. With a fast 0.2-second response time, it's ideal for indoor use. The built-in Bluetooth syncs with the My Home app, allowing you to store data, draw floor plans, switch units, and export photos in real time. USB-C rechargeable and lightweight at just 1.44 ounces, it's a reliable companion for architects, real estate agents, and anyone who values smart measuring tools. The Kiwitz Voltage Tester is a compact non-contact tool that ensures safety and precision for electricians and DIY users. Using an NCV inductive probe, it detects AC voltage from 12 volts to 1000 volts and automatically identifies live or null wires. The screen glows red for high voltage and green for low, while sound and light alerts increase with voltage intensity. Its dual-range design makes it ideal for testing everything from outlets to thermostats. A built-in LED flashlight, low battery indicator, and auto shut-off feature add to its convenience. Rated Cat 3 1000 volts and Cat 4 600 volts, it's fully insulated and perfect for quick, accurate circuit checks anytime, anywhere. The SUMAKE pneumatic drill is a compact 0.4 horsepower tool with multiple speed settings, making it ideal for a wide range of drilling applications with precision and efficiency. Its 3-planet gear system, combined with durable needle bearings and a slip-preventing gear case, ensures long-lasting performance and enhanced load capacity. The progressive trigger allows for smooth, controlled starts, improving safety and drilling accuracy. With minimal vibration and a lightweight aluminum body, it reduces operator fatigue even during continuous use. Designed to deliver consistent results and dependable power, SUMAKE makes your drilling jobs easier, faster, and better than ever. The Milwaukee Bandfile is a powerful cordless sanding tool designed to match pneumatic performance without the need for hoses or compressors. Ideal for automotive and industrial use, it features a power-state brushless motor that delivers fast spot weld removal and efficient material shaping. With 2-speed modes, a variable speed trigger, and forward-reverse control, it offers precision and adaptability in tight spaces. The lock-on function reduces fatigue during extended tasks, while the 360-degree tool-free arm rotation provides maximum flexibility and access. Compact and convenient, it's built for professionals who need reliable performance anywhere. The Brushless rotary tool by Milwaukee delivers pro-grade performance in a compact, cordless design. Powered by a 12-volt motor, it runs at variable speeds from 5,000 to 32,000 RPM, giving you full control for grinding, cutting, polishing, or sanding. Its 1/8-inch collet supports all standard rotary tool accessories, while the lightweight 1.3-pound body ensures easy handling. Built for durability, it features grinder-style exhaust ports and a protected front bearing, offering up to 10 times longer tool life. Whether you're tackling delicate detailing or heavy-duty tasks, this tool is compact, powerful, and made to last. The Rothenberger MINICUT I Pro is a high-precision tube cutter designed for tight, hard-to-reach spaces with a minimal working radius of just 38 millimeters. Made from lightweight yet durable Duramag magnesium, it cuts effortlessly through copper, aluminum, brass, steel, and thin-walled pipes. It handles pipe diameters from 3 mm to 16 mm, making it ideal for professionals and DIY users alike. Its guide rollers with recesses allow you to cut near flares, saving material with every use. Weighing only 125 grams, it's compact, efficient, and reliable, perfect for anyone who demands clean, accurate cuts in compact spaces. The round cable strip is a compact and powerful tool built for professionals who need precision and speed. Designed to handle cables from 4.5 mm to 29 mm in diameter, it delivers triple-action cutting longitudinal, spiral, and circular for effortless end and mid-span stripping. Whether you're working with PVC, rubber, or PE, This tool cuts through tough jackets with ease. Its patented spiral stripping mode and adjustable precision blade make every cut clean and accurate. Crafted from durable metal and weighing just 4.8 ounces, it's lightweight yet rugged. Plus, when the blade wears down, you can simply replace it instead of tossing the tool. A must-have for electricians, installers, and serious DIYers. The BAHCO Pruner features high-carbon steel blades that stay sharp and durable, delivering clean and precise cuts every time. Built for performance, its ergonomic handles with a soft cushion grip ensure maximum comfort during long gardening sessions. Whether you're trimming roses or shaping shrubs, this tool can easily cut through thick branches with minimal effort. Designed for both professionals and hobbyists, it's a must-have for every dedicated gardener. The secure safety lock adds extra protection when not in use, making it comfortable and easy to use while maintaining high safety standards in your garden work. And that wraps up our list of 8 powerful mini tools that punch way above their size. If you found a favorite, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more cool tools and gadgets every week. This is TechGrid Zone, your go-to source for compact innovation and cutting-edge gear. See you in the next one.